The time has come, y'all, and I'm taking a break from trading. I am. I don't know how long it's going to be. I don't want it to be too long. Maybe a month, maybe 2 weeks. I would prefer 2 weeks, but it might be a month or so because number one, it's just not when I lose, it ruins my whole emotional day now to the point where I'm not recording TikTok shop videos, nor am I going to the gym. Like right now, I don't want to do either, but I am gonna go walk to the grocery store. That's gonna be my workout. And my foot actually just hurt, and I do need a rest day. But I have plans this weekend, so the weekend Saturday will be my rest day. But I'm going to take a break. It's just not. Um, it's hard because I kind of want to wait and see if I blow this account first. I'm not using real money, but I have to make sure I take a trade. Every 30 days or the account's gone. So there's that. Um, so that's why I think it might be 2 weeks. However, TikTok Shop is making me money every day. It's not a lot, but it's still, I'm not losing money and I'm making money every day. And I'm getting thousands of dollars worth of samples. So today I've already made $40. Yesterday I made 75. This is probably my lowest week, but in a week I've made $500. That's like my $100 a day with trading. I made $530. So it's the same shit. Same $100 a day from trading that I've been on my live account at least. So it's just one of those things where yeah, I think I'm just locking on TikTok Shop, and then when that goes, I just joined a group. I think I'm gonna join one more group for a page audit, and then I'm gonna join Fast Track Trader. Fast Track Trader. That is a trader. Fast Track Girls test AI for scripts. Hopefully, I can just do. I've been doing Phil Felt Found Model in ChatGPT, and so it's been. I haven't posted the videos yet, but they'll be posted tomorrow. But I've been using that to get like those scripts, like those mom scripts, like those hook, pain points, call to action, 30 seconds or less. Like that's what all the moms are doing, and they're making all the money consistently. And studying Alley and just having fun making videos and making 10 videos a day, which is really nice. Posting 10 videos a day. I have to record some today. I have like 6 on my list, but I had 6 on my list yesterday and I run recording like 17. So again, the same product from ads is the only one that's making me money. Nothing viral of all these products I've posted, which is annoying. So that's what my goal is, to get like a viral videos, some organic, or even just another brand running ads. It's more than this one brand because it's not scaling up, it's not scaling down. It's just in the same $50 to $100 range. Sometimes $30 days, sometimes $200 days, but it's not really growing to the point where I can depend on it. And eventually, if it's not growing, it's gonna die out. So yeah, I'm taking a break from trading because, like I said, today already it just kills my whole vibe for the day, and I don't know what I want to do. If I want to go back to like I'm doing 150, 300 ticks maybe again to get my 1 to 2. Trading just the macro. I don't know. Like today, because today my trade would have played out if I got in around that 3 minute hammer. But obviously the trade of the day was waiting for the buys. So if I just, and then sometimes the macro, like it's just not, we did have 9:45 news, so maybe that was it. But it still would have played out if I hit. So it's like with the 1 to 1, your entry has to be tight. And my entries are never like the best part of my trading. My entries are not the best part anymore since I don't wait for the retest, because sometimes it just runs without you like it did yesterday and Monday. So but even if I waited, if I'm doing 200 ticks, if I wait to the macro on days where it runs up, I still get something. Or maybe even wait until like 9:40 like I used to do, like wait until that first 10 minute plays out. But sometimes it runs up at 9:30 and then it just chops from 9:50 to fucking 10:30. I don't want that either. So I had to figure something out. I think I just need a break to where I missed it, because like I said, I got into trading because I did miss it. And 150 a day is really nice. It's not bad. But I can figure out how to get like 300 ticks daily with maybe it's 200 ticks to 300 ticks. Maybe that's the new bracket. I have no fucking idea. But I'm at a point where it's not, and I just need to take a break. And I've never taken a break because I don't believe in taking breaks for real. You gotta just grind it out. And because when you take a break, like next week, practice action could be perfect. next month actually be perfect, and I missed it, and I come back because that's what trading is. It's probabilities. Like, so the breaks you take kind of fucks with the probability because you'll take a break, price action is good. You get back, it's bad. You take a break, it's good. You know, like you can get stuck in a cycle where you're taking breaks, and as soon as you take a break, it's good. So you have to like trade all through the bad and the good, and your win rate will outweigh itself. But mentally, I just can't right now, and it really sucks because I feel like I'm gonna want to trade tomorrow. But tomorrow's Friday, and or by the time I post this video today, this video will be posted on Friday, so I won't trade today. But I feel like I'm gonna want to trade on Monday. I'm gonna trade on Tuesday, so we're gonna see. Maybe it might just be a week. Honestly, it might just be a full week of non-trading. Either way, it's a break. So I've been posting on YouTube every day as a challenge. I didn't tell y'all, but posting every day on YouTube for also income, you know? And so I have to post other things. Maybe we'll do mental check-ins every day next week. Maybe we'll just watch the chart and see what we could have taken and just looked and work out a nice bracket. And look at the macros each day or something next week. Cause I'm definitely gonna post a video every day. It could be a TikTok shop video update every day. It's just hard to do a TikTok shop because it's the same shit every day until I get like my first. I had a $200 day, so I'm waiting for like a 300, 500, and I want a 4-figure day. I really want a 4-figure day. So I'm joining groups. I joined a group. I joined Mama Melina's group because it's $15 off the first month. It's $47, which is really cheap. They do page audits, which is the main thing I want, and I got first month for $32. I watched some of her courses the other day, and I think the live calls are really gonna get in, but I don't really want to join the live calls. But I'm hoping I need to go through it fully too, see if there's like scripts, just see if there's other things. But I feel like I joined another group that's $1, and I quit, but I'm kind of still in it. And I got some scripts for things, but I feel like I know now the pain point, the hook, pain point, whatever. I just got to perfect it. So really just the audit. I want to audit so I can be like, if you just change these two things, it would be good. So I'm going to join. I did that. Like I said, I think I'm going to join Dom's TikTok Insiders because he does a deep audit as well. And he does ChatGPT scripts that you can put into your thing. And Tessa's AI thing is only $27. So they're not that expensive. So 1 month in Mama Melina's, I'm on the list for audit. It might be at the end of my month. I hope it doesn't. I don't have to pay for an extra month to get my audit, which would be annoying. But if I do, whatever. Then I'll join Dom's group because it's 50% off the first month. And I think I'll try the free ChatGPT scripts from him first. And a page audit, free scripts. And then I'll probably join the test one in the third month and ride that the way. Because I feel like I'll have my tweaks from both groups to like improve this, talk like this, do this. And then I can just use her scripts. So we'll see. But that's where I'm at right now. Like I said, I'm about to go walk and go to the grocery store. And then record my TikTok shop videos for the day. And keep pushing. So yeah, no trades hopefully next week. If not, definitely not today or Friday, May 23rd. And maybe Monday I don't. Part of me is like, do I want to trade to blow this till I blow this account, the funded account? But no, maybe just a week off. A week off, go crazy with TikTok shop. A part of me wants to take a break until TikTok shop is making me enough to live off of. But I don't want to put my eggs in that basket either because it could take me a long time. But it could not. I already made over 2K TikTok shop in 2 months, so I just need to get it to 4K in a month. Not crazy, but like I said, thought it'd be profitable trading in a year. And look how I am now. So who knows? But yeah, we'll see. Definitely a week off, taking a break. We'll do mental check-ins. We'll read the tape. Maybe. I have to figure out video strategy that's not gonna fuck me up. Because if I read the tape live and don't take a trade, that might mess me up emotionally too. And that's what I have to figure out. Getting my emotions in check for trading. So I hope y'all have a good weekend. I'm gonna try to post this weekend, but I don't know because I have plans. My sister's birthday is on Saturday, which is tomorrow. My fiance's birthday is today, the 22nd, even though I'm posting this on the 23rd. So yeah, I have things to do and celebrate. And my mom was like, yeah, take a break, focus on videos. Of course she's gonna say that because she sees the money coming in, but also she's kind of right. TikTok shop, you can see money really fast. Some people don't though, so just depends. But yeah, Hope y'all doing well in trading. Any kind of words of encouragement, let me know. And I'll see y'all next week or the week after next.